All right, let's go ahead and start on lesson 4, unit 4. All right, so we have already simplified and solved and multiplied. Now we are going to divide, okay? There's only one little difference between this and multiplication, and you have a chart here that tells you, and I'm not going to take and rewrite this whole equation in there. So what I want to do is just give you one little thing. If you can remember that, it's the same thing you've done in 9th grade. Keep, change, flip. So keep the first fraction. So I will write this part down. So we're going to keep x squared minus 8x plus 15 over x squared minus x minus 6. We're going to change it to multiplication instead of division. And when we do that, we're going to flip the second one. So x squared minus 6x plus 8 goes to the top. X squared plus x minus 20 goes to the bottom. So keep, change, flip. Then you're going to factor, simplify, and you'll be done. All right, so if I look at this first one, I'm going to keep that first one. I'm going to go ahead and factor as I'm doing this. So x minus 4, x plus 3 over 3 is what I can take out. So x minus 3. I'm going to change it to multiplication. Then I'm going to flip the second fraction. So 12 over x minus 4. Now I'm going to do the same thing that I did with multiplication. I'm going to look up and down, left and right. Or sorry, not left and right, diagonal. So the x minus 4's cancel. The 3 and the 12 will simplify and make this a 4. Now, I'm done. I'm going to multiply straight across. So 4, x plus 3 is what I have on top. X minus 3 is what I have on bottom. And there you go. Okay? Now the reason I didn't write every detail down is just because I don't have enough room on this. When you get to 3 and 4, I will do that so you can see it better because I can extend my page. All right, let's do the second one. So I'm going to keep my first fraction. I'm going to go ahead and simplify it. So 2 x plus 3. And I'm going to have 5 x plus 2. I'm going to change it to multiplication. And now I'm going to flip. So x plus 2 on top. And then on the bottom, x plus 3, x plus 1. After it's been factored. So now I'm going to see what I can cancel out. I can cancel the x plus 2. I can cancel the x plus 3. Now I'm left with 2 on the top. And then the 5x plus 5. Or the 5x plus 1 if you want to leave it factored. Okay? You want to just pause the video and see if you can do the bottom ones, the bottom two, numbers 3 and 4. I'm going to take and do it detailed so you can see if you're having trouble. All right, so I'm going to have x squared minus 5x plus 4 because I'm keeping the first fraction. I'm going to change it to multiplication, and I'm going to flip x and x minus 1. Now I'm going to factor. So x minus 4, x minus 1 over x squared, multiplication, x minus 1. Factor out what I can, or simplify out what I can. X minus 1s are gone. I can get rid of that x. So I'm left with x minus 4 over x. Right? The next one, you can pause the video if you need to. I'm going to erase this. We're going to keep the 5x minus 15 over 4x squared. We're going to change it to multiplication. And we're going to flip. So x cubed over 6x minus 18. Now I'm going to factor. So 5 and x minus 3 over 4x squared times, I don't need to do that, x cubed over, and if I factor 6, x minus 3. Now I'm going to see what I can take out. X minus 3's cancel. I can cancel the x squared and the x cubed. I cannot do anything with the 4 and 6 because they're straight across from each other. Remember, when you are simplifying, it's either diagonal or up and down. So I'm left with 5x over 4 times 6, which is 24. And that is my answer. So you're doing the same thing that you did with multiplication. The only difference is with the division, you have to just flip that second fraction. Okay? So practice this. If you have any questions, please let me know.